Hey, Mr. Belmosan here with the 50-year-old kit. If you want to see the full story about why I'm building this, check out the video that I posted right before this one. For now, let's break the seal on this and release some 1970s air. Here it is, Panzerspahwagen. I've had this kit, I guess, 50 years now, and I'm building it as a tribute to a friend's dad who built this, and I saw it, and it was amazing and it inspired me to do better on my builds way back then. And I'm finally getting around uh, building. I can't believe 50 years of being kicked around, packed up, unpacked, moved many, many times. And most recently, it sat on my shelf in my current cave for, I don't know, 12 years. So let's check it out. Still sealed. I guess when I tear the seal off, I'm going to save this. Yeah, I paid full price for it back then, $3.99. I'm going to save that price tag, and it says Williams. What was that? Williams Discount was the name of the store. No, Long Island in New York, So, been cracked. 70s air. It's coming out of here. Like new. Got a little crunch here. And nice diorama on the front. Is ein schnelles Fahrzeug der Panzerspahwagen. My German is correct. Spent a year in Germany. And took a couple of years of German in high school. Let's try Google Translate. Get it in here. Okay. See how they say it.
Ein schnelles Fahrzeug der Panzerspartruppen.
Spartruppen, this is Spätruppen. Nothing Google. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Got a umlaut on the A. Can you what am I don't have my keyboard here. I wonder if there it is. What? Not the right A. You can hold it. Oops. Oh yeah. Move. There it is. Okay.
Ein schnelles Fahrzeug der Panzerspähtruppen.
Spähtruppen, there it is. Got it right. Nice diorama on the front. However, it says in blurry print. Here it is. Tips for building dioramas are included in this kit. Materials to build the dioramas are not included. So we'll give you some ideas. None of that stuff is included with the kit. For ages 10 through adult, that's what you get. I think that's less one figure. Guy with the binoculars. Little description of the vehicle. Copyright 1974. Is that right? Seeing the light of day. The first time. One thing I do notice, you probably did too, there's no packaging. No plastic bags. Crazy. But I don't. Everything looks nice. I don't see any scratches. We'll see. Let me set this up different, and we'll take a look at the sprues. Okay, we'll take a look at the sprues. Look nice. Good detail. Upper turret. Look at this. We have a campfire. So they do have some diorama pieces in here. They lied. They're lying. They short sold themselves on the box. Right. Whoop, we're floating here. Plastic or clear parts for the lights. They look fine. And right away, the tarp. That works for the diorama. Come on, guys. Should have sold that on the outside of the box. Gas cans, wheels look nice. Gas cans. More parts with good detail. Look here. Those are the tree stumps to be used to hold the awning up. More diorama stuff. I wonder what they were thinking with the box art. Looks good, and it's saying there's no parts for a diorama. Nice. So these are all decent parts. I don't see flash. It's just a nice kit. Even on the wheels though, the sprue connections are a little chunky. I'll have to work with that. Nothing you can't get around. Oh, here's the dudes. I gotta say, a little better than I expected. Still, who holds the pipe out? Who holds their pipe out like that? I guess if you were talking, his mouth open. See, but anyway, so the figures are a plus compared to what I expected to see. More good detail. And the figures are full. They're not halves, and just two of the guys you have to add their arms. Binoculars, arms with the binoculars. And this one, his arm, cooking sausages. They included the sausages. Nice. All right. More detail. This is better than expected. All these wheels. Now I thought, no, there's no spares. This thing has 8 wheels. I would think there'd be a spare. Oh well. Maybe the spare was carried inside the vehicle. You have 8 wheels. You're definitely bringing a spare with you. So we can see the detail a little closer up. It's nice. Very good. And the last sprue. More good detail. Hooks. Again, it all looks good. I think I saw a tiny bit of flash on one part. So, well above my expectations. Nice. And last but not least, they did include directions for dioramas. Take a look at that. Oops, got them upside down. Decals. They look nice. Not yellowed. They hung in there for 50 years. They're still good. That's crazy. And the directions. So the instructions are a two-sided sheet. I noticed right away, right up, tires and wheels not shown. Tires and wheels not shown. It's over there. It's over there. It's everywhere. So right in the beginning of step 2, it says press, do not cement the wheels on. And from there on, I guess they decided if they tried to show the wheels, it would block your view of what the other things they were trying to show you, so they left it out. It's a good idea. So that's good. There's a lot of parts I would think would not be in here for the detail. So it's pretty good. Suspension has the directions. Everything's a checkbox. You can check it off as you go along if you want. And nothing unusual. This I noticed. Clean out. It says over here too. Clean out 4 holes in front plate number 50. Tells you here. So you have to make your own corrections to the kit. Well, I guess I have a feeling they're etched in there, but the plastic's still there. I do see a reflector. I have no idea what. Anybody know what that is? Right there. Do not know. Here's a part, flex to get in place. Tells you how to do decals. Tells you how to paint the figures. Gives you colors for uniforms. Painting the vehicle. I notice there are different directions. If you're going to put an antenna on this, some of the hatches have to be left open, I believe. Looks like they're very thorough with this. The only bad thing is I don't know, because it's 1/32nd scale. I don't know how many aftermarket parts are available for 1/32nd scale. I wish it was 1/35th. Oh well. I have a feeling there's some 1/35th add-ons that would work. Nobody would notice the difference in scale. In any event, that's that. Looks like a good kit. And I'm going to build it out of the box first. Tips on dioramas. That's pretty good. Good photos. Planning your diorama. Whoa. Building dioramas. Added equipment, minor conversions. Weathering. Painting figures. Look at this. They really did provide some
and a lot of information. Gave some crazy good photographs. So, man, look at this. Well, I don't know what this yellow is all about. Method used to turn the wheels. Cut the wheel mounts off at an angle, as shown on the loose axle. Turn the mounts 180 degrees and glue back. Wow. So a whole bunch of modifications you can do, and they tell you how. All right, that's fantastic. I don't know. I'll take a look at those and see which ones I might want to do. So, if you see this kit at a flea market or garage sale, don't pass it up just because it's 50 years old. It seems to be a pretty good kit. So, I'm going to give it a shot and see what happens. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. And remember, don't have too much fun.